It is said that portfolio management is where strategy meets reality. Often there are three key objectives for it. The first one is to make sure the portfolio is aligned with the strategy. The second one is to track the business outcomes, including leading indicators, so that we know where our investments are paying off. And the third is to adapt to change when customer needs, the competitive landscape, or something else material changes, so that we know what we stop doing and what we start doing. Achieving these objectives is only partly about having the right portfolio level processes. A much more important part is the culture and operating model in our company. Some of the key ingredients of this include 1. Doing smaller things faster in order to achieve faster learning cycles. 2. Decentralized decision making. People that are close to the problems should have the authority to solve them. 3. Organize around value. The goal is to have cross-functional units that can deliver customer value end to end. And then 4. Finance and measure the business outcomes of these cross-functional units. What is the bang we are getting from our buck? So what we are talking about here is quite often a big change. In a large company, you cannot change everything everywhere in one go. So the challenge then becomes that when you want to go from where you are now to your desired state, what are the steps that you should be taking? And from a tooling point of view, it means that you cannot only think about your immediate needs. You need a portfolio tool that supports your journey. Nektion is designed to adapt to your company. There is no predefined concept model that you need to learn. Instead, we implement your concepts, your way of working. It means that the tool is easier to learn. It means that we can slice and dice the data to provide relevant views for different business lines, functions, and roles. And finally, we also integrate to your existing tools, which enables tracking progress from the team level tools, as well as providing top-down alignment to teams. All this enables us to create views that are tailored for your needs. Here are a few examples. Board views can be structured based on your strategical dimensions, like strategic teams, must-win battles, or investment horizons. You can add your metrics, like financials, completion rates, or KPIs. We can also show dependencies between items. For prioritization needs, we can filter all the candidates and add only the relevant data that we need for making our decision. With the timeline view, we can communicate what we have finished, what is ongoing, and what will start next. We can show progress data that is updated in real time from team-level tools. What is your journey to a more agile portfolio? We are happy to have a discussion on how Nektion can fit into that journey.